Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Valentine Day is right the corner, so let's make some nice and refreshing strawberry punch. So here are the things that we need for this recipe. We need a cup of strawberries. These are washed really well and also stem part is removed. Half cup of orange juice. You can replace orange juice with water or any other juice of your choice. Also you can use any liquor or alcohol of your choice in place of this orange juice. Then we need a tablespoon of lemon juice, just a teaspoon of sugar to balance out the sourness from these strawberries. A 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. It adds nice refreshing flavor or taste in our punch. Also, this is the secret ingredient. These are beet. So this is grated beet. We need a teaspoon of that. So what's doing this in this punch? So basically this beet over here I am using. It helps to give that nice intense red color in this punch, and also adds little healthy factor in this recipe. And we also need some plain soda. Now next I'm going to put this strawberries into a blender jar. Then add in sugar, this grated beet, a teaspoon of this, and oranges. So basically I am looking to make this strawberry into nice and smooth puree. This oranges just adds nice freshness or taste in this punch. You can very well use water in place of these oranges. Now let's just go ahead and blend this. Awesome. And here this strawberry puree is ready. Once your strawberry puree is ready, you have two options. You can either directly pour this puree into serving glasses, or you can strain this like this. I don't like to have these tiny seeds of strawberry in my punch, so I'm just going to strain this out. And look at this nice gorgeous color it has got. Lovely. I just switched to some bigger strainer for easy straining. Lovely. It already smells so good. Now next step is to add in lemon juice, black salt. Give this a mix. And now take your soda. Now you can also use any juice of your choice in place of soda, and add that. Awesome. Add some ice cubes in this. Lovely. And there you have it. Your this nice, refreshing, gorgeous strawberry punch is all ready. Now this Valentine, do give this strawberry punch a try. And if you try this at home, just take a picture and don't forget to send me on MadhurasRecipe@gmail.com. I really like to receive your pictures and share them on my social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So if you like this video, hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.